Today's video is all about the new editor tool that's available on Canva, and we're going to create 3 videos that are going to help your business grow. So join me, let's do this. Welcome entrepreneurs to African Multi-Design, a channel dedicated in bringing you tips, tool reviews, as well as tutorials. Today, you're going to come with me and we're going to look at 3 videos that are going to help your business grow online. And my name is Zanele. If you're a subscriber, thank you for joining me again today. And if you're new to the channel, welcome. We will have so much fun. The first thing that I would like to put your mind at ease with is this video editor that Canva is rolling out to everyone is absolutely free for everyone. Pro as well as free accounts can use the editor tool. So when you are ready to create the new video, like the reveal product we did earlier on, the one that I showed you when I was introducing today's session, you're going to click where it says video, and then we're going to create a blank video. So it's very, very important that when you get this message from Canva that says video editor is available on beta, you need to say, I want to try it for free. Because if you don't say, I want to try it for free, then you won't be able to have the editor tool at the bottom of the page. So please, I've done it and I didn't say I want to try it for free and it wasn't there, and I'm still looking for it on my other account. But in any case, you just say that you want to try it for free, and then you get to see this beautiful editor that's available for us to jump in and work on and have fun with. So this is our video canvas, and we're ready to edit. So you would like to add your product here, and you would like to change the background. So this is going to be an easy one. You're going to change background and you're going to make it black. And then you're going to go to your uploads. You're going to find your image or your product that you would like to use. And then you're going to add it here. Once you've uploaded your picture, you can double click on the picture or the product that you would like to reveal once, not twice. And then you can size it and align it the way that you would like. And when you're happy with the way that the product is added on the page, you would move back to the editor and you would click on the ellipses so that you can duplicate the picture so that you have the exact same picture of slide number 1. Then you click back to page number 1 and then you click on the picture and click on edit image. Then it would show you this menu and you're going to click where it says see all, and you're looking for the effect that's the blur effect. Then you're going to adjust your picture so that it's blurry. I'm happy with 30, so that when you reveal the picture, it reveals the new product that you're offering to the world. Next, you're going to go back to slide number 1 and you're going to click in the transition, this field here that says transition. You're going to click there because you would like to add a dissolve transition that's going to come in when you're revealing your product, and it shows there in purple. And once that's done, you're good to go. Then you click on your editor and it plays like this and it reveals the product, and voila, it's done. If you're happy with the timing of your video, because the timing shows at the top here where it says 7.6 seconds, you can adjust this to suit the amount of time that you want to spend on the video, or you want people to spend on the video. By click on the edit timing and you adjust the time based on what you like. And once that's done, you click on download and you download as an MP4 video, and it downloads both pictures and it changes it into a video, and video number 1 is done. We're going to jump in on video number 2 to check and see how can we add music and all cool things that we can do on video number 2. Jump in on Canva. For this next video, I just want to show you the other cool things that you can do when you are trying to get engagement for your small business or your design business. You can't always be talking about your products and what you sell and whatnot. You need to either inspire people, teach people, or entertain them. So I did this page like 2 or 3 weeks ago, and the video that I would like us to do is a inspiration kind of a video that you could share as part of your offering with your product. And I do these inspirational videos, and one of these videos got like almost 5,000 views in like 2 weeks. And when you click on it, done on Canva, it's a self reminder: be proud of who you are and not ashamed of how someone else sees you, like a motivational kind of a video. So I want us to jump in and create something like this and add music. You can add music on Canva, or you can add it on TikTok or on Reels if you're on Instagram. But when we jump in now on Canva, I want to show you how to do this one as well as add music. So from your home page, you are again going to click on video, but this time, because we want to use either an Instagram, even on TikTok. That one that I did was a 4 square 1080 by 1080 design, and I used it on TikTok and people loved it, you saw. So we selected the Facebook one. It's the same size as Instagram, and then you get a blank video like this. So a blank canvas that looks like this. So what we're going to do, we're going to add a nice background of a picture. So then we're going to go to elements, and then we're going to look for flowers. Then you add the picture and you drag it so that it covers the full Canva. The next thing that you're going to do, you're going to go to our elements, and I'm going to take off the flower, and I'm going to go to shapes and lines and shapes, because I'm looking for this shape that's quite rounded. It's rounded, but it's squarish. I don't know what to call it. I'm looking for this one. Then you size it so that it is at the center and it's aligned quite nicely. And then you will click on it and you'd go to transparency, and you would put in a little bit of transparency on that square. Next, you want to add text, so we press T to add text. The quote is added and we're happy. So if we want to play and see how it looks like, we just press play on the editor and it stands still like a picture. We don't want that. We would like to have cool effects happening on this beautiful video of ours. So there's two ways you can animate. You can animate a page by clicking on the page, and you click on where it says animate. So if you would like to animate a page, it shows you at the top of this page that you are busy animating a page. So you can have a breathe animation that comes through, or you can have a pen that comes through from the side, or you can have a rise that comes from the side. So if we leave it at rise and we leave it like that, then the whole design is a video, and you can edit it here. If you're not happy with 5 seconds and you want it to be more than 5 seconds, then you just click on the timing and you make it a little bit longer, maybe 10 seconds, and then it comes through nicely and it plays like that. So that is how you animate a page. The other way that you can animate is if you click on the actual element itself, the text that we've added, and we want to animate the text itself. You just click on the text and you click on animate, and now you get a new menu. We had a look at the page, and now we get to animate the text itself. So you can animate using typewriter or bursts, and it bursts like that, or it bounces. So it's up to you which animation you would like to use, and it's both available for you on the page. So let's just look at the page again. There we go. And now it's animating the text, and that's how you add animation. The last thing I want to show you on this video is how do we add audio. So with our elements, if we take off the lines and spaces, I have audio over here, but if you scroll down, there's audio available over there. You can click on see all, And when you click on see all, it shows you a menu of the different kinds of music or audio that's available to you. So you can scroll down and look for different kinds of music. And if you want to add your own voice recording or voiceover, you can upload it. It will also show on audio, and then you can add it as a voiceover over there. But if we want to add, for example, let's say we have a happy song that we want to add, or an advertising song. This advertising song, I've been playing with it. It is a free audio. You just click on it once, and then audio is added at the bottom of the page, and it will give music like that. The good news with Canva, you can add 3 audio that's available on a design. So it's not going to limit you to just one. So you can have a voiceover, and you can adjust it to say that I don't want it to be that size. So you can tweak it so that it's a certain portion of the video, and then you say, you know what, I want myself to speak, and then you adjust that, and it starts from where the other one left off, and you get to add different kinds of audios. 3 different audios that you could add on a video. And again, once you're happy and you're ready and you are happy with your design, all you do is you download as an MP4 video, and you click on download, and it will download. So the last video that we're doing is a template, and we're going to use beautiful designs that Canva provide for us. So when you are on the Facebook option, for example, and you hover, you can click where it says browse for template, or if you wanted a video message, you can browse for template for all of them. So let's go in on the Facebook one and browse different templates to see what options are available, because this last one, I would like us to look at a product video that we could add and advertise our product. So you can scroll through and look at different kinds of templates that are available that have been created until you find the one that you would like to use, and you double click on it, and then you start editing. Awesome. So I found this product template that I would like us to practice with. So what is so cool about this is it uses the same principles that you are used to with Canva. So if this is the logo for this template, you just want to replace it with yours, you will absolutely go to your uploads, go find your logo and load it there. Same principles that you're used to. Don't complicate things, don't make things difficult for yourself. Say we want to add this one and we want to change it, delete that one. And if you would like to change the color, you just click on the actual canvas itself and you change color to, this is my brand color, the purple. Next is, I want to change the text. You just double click on the text and you change it accordingly. That's simple as that. The same principle that you're used to, you will apply. So I want to just show you how to edit the video that came through. So it is a video that was edited for this young lady that's loving her skin. Just delete the video that's added there, and you go to either the elements or you go to the videos that you've uploaded on your uploads and you edit there. So I've seen a video of let's call it skincare, one of the videos that I've seen there, and you search for it and you click on videos, and then you search for different kinds of videos that are available that you can replace on to your design. So let's just quickly see if we can find one that we can use, and you scroll until you find one that follows your brand or the one that you've done and it's part of your brand. So I'm just going to click and drag it there, and I can size it. That's one way of adding a video on a design, and I can bring this to positioning it to forward, and then it's on top of the video, and then the video plays. That's one way of doing it. So the other way is to go to your elements and then go find a beautiful frame. So if you want to add a nice frame to your designs so that it looks funky, you could do that. So you could click and add a frame and then go find that video that you used, click and drag it to the picture or to the frame, and when it plays quite nicely like that, and it follows the frame that you've added on your video. So that's basically how you adjust and you tweak. So the total video is 18.8 seconds. So if you want to adjust the time, you need to click on the actual video and you can crop the time or tweak the time on the video that's on the actual Canva itself. So at the moment it's 7.8 seconds. You just click and you drag to make the time shorter on that particular video. So if you want to do the same on page number 2, you need to be on the actual video in order for you to adjust the time of that actual video that's showing on that page. And with transition, again, there's transitions available, and this is in beta. I don't know how you pronounce this IT thingamajigs, but it's in beta, and I know Canva is going to make it better for all of us. So it's a great way to start showing off your brand to everyone. And then having different kinds of designs when you're introducing your products and tweaking it and having fun with your Canva. And let me know on the comments below how the session was for you. How are you using video at all as part of your offering when you're designing for your customers or for yourself? Let me know. But we're very excited with this editor that Canva has introduced for us. The next video that I'm going to show you is if you want to record yourself and you add your own picture or your own video and you're recording a message to somebody to say happy anniversary mom or happy anniversary auntie. That's the next video I'll do for us. But for now, have fun with Canva. Creativity is fun and it is intelligence having fun as usual. So I will see you on the next video, and thank you for spending time with me. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe and share the videos. Thank you. I'll see you next time.